The Four Noble Truths. Buddha's first teaching. Everyone has different changing moods. Sometimes we feel sad, mad, afraid, confused. Hard feelings usually happen when we can't get what we want, or we don't like what we have. The good news is that hard feelings are like passing clouds and that they always go away. And there's a way to not be swept away by them. The way includes watching and learning about how our own minds and feelings work. Learning to be kind to others and making the wish to really help them. The Four Noble Truths. Suffering, the cause of suffering, the end of suffering, the path.